Lee Spring has been doing business for over 90 years.
If it pushes, if it pulls, if it twists, we can make it.
We make custom and stock springs and wire forms depending on what the customer requirements are.
What we like to say is from 10 springs to 10 million springs, stock or custom, we can do it, and we make it easy to do it as well.
They're headquartered in Brooklyn, New York.
Which is a kind of cool place. The building that I'm speaking from now is a Brooklyn Army terminal. My dad in World War II left from this building, and so did Elvis Presley when he shipped off to Germany. Manufacturing is still alive and well in New York.
As a manufacturer of both stock and custom precision springs, Lee Spring's expert services are demanded throughout the world from a variety of industries.
We can make mattress springs, we can make springs for pens, but that's not our focus. We do precision springs.
Lee Spring has grown significantly since its inception to meet consistently growing customer demand.
We process between 8,000 and 10,000 orders in any given month. We have a catalog with over 21,000 SKUs, and we've made and sold about 200,000 different custom parts. We have warehousing and manufacturing in the United States, warehousing and manufacturing in Mexico, warehousing in the United Kingdom. We're just launching India, China as well. We have warehousing and manufacturing outside of Shanghai and Suzhou.
At the turn of the century, continued expansion put pressure on Management Information Systems Director Michael Gisonda to solve new challenges.
We found ourselves in a very bad position. The ERP software that we were using was out of business, and we found ourselves with a serious Y2K issue. We needed to be able to distribute our processes across multiple locations. Plus, we do make to order and make to stock. So we needed a software that could do both, that would handle our distribution needs and handle our ability to make to order.
Syspro software suited both of Lee Spring's manufacturing environments, and the system's pricing was competitive.
We offered out an RFP to, I think, 50 vendors. Overall, Syspro was the best product for us, best fit for us, for the best cost.
Today, Lee Spring sees a multitude of improvements within their business processes with the use of Syspro ERP.
One of the other main strengths was the ability to interact with it, with products that we developed. Syspro really just controls the whole order right through the whole manufacturing process, and it allowed us to key in those products that would enhance our business. Have we seen a growth in sales? Absolutely. Have we seen a growth in business? Most definitely. It has allowed us to not just be a localized company, but to be a global company.
Companies today that we work with, like Siemens or General Electric, they're not local. Technology today, it really enables you to perform in the marketplace, and in many cases to outperform your competition. And I think that's one of the big things that we can do as a company, is that wherever you are, whatever you need, if you think it, we can do it. That's it.
Without Syspro, we wouldn't be as good as we are for being able to handle a global company.